So next step in the deck building is putting the railing posts in place. The railing posts need to be placed in the frame from the inside, not from the outside, according to the new code. It has to be at least 36 inches. Basically what I did, I got 8-foot 4x4 and cut them in halves, and so it's going to be 4 feet, about 7 inches is down. It's inside 7 inches, as you can see. And it's bolted with the carriage bolts, as you can see here, through and through, with the braces around. Now this is the post for the stairs too. Now the distance is really depends. You can do it anywhere between the posts. Like I got it like 6 feet is average. You can do less, but no more than 8 foot in between. As you can see, all these braces also between every other one for support to the small braces. And you can see is the rim joist this is the rim joist. It's all at the end. It's screwed, 3 screws at each post. It's pretty strong. Next step, we'll do the decking, and then also maybe we'll do the stairs.